Oh, what's good? Yo, you guys seen Kling? What's that, boyfriend meme? This one, distracted boyfriend. I want to animate it. Oh, it's fucking WebP. Actually, I think we can rename that. Kling requires stuff to be in like JPEG. But apparently, WebP and JPEG is pretty much the same format. You just rename it, and it just works the same. That's pretty cool. Little pro tip there. Um, what's so cool is all this shit. All right. Yeah, so Kling AI, it's like a Chinese um, video generation AI, and it has really impressive like results. Check this one out. Um, just like really high quality, maybe not resolution, but definitely like high quality looking images. And I've used it. Can I see my assets? Yeah, I don't know if you saw my video on the best coding LLMs, but yeah, I made this. Um, this was first generated with a still image on Ideogram, and then I animated it with Kling AI, and it worked out really well. And yeah, a few other ones here too. And then I tried to put some images of me. This is the original. Oh, can I see the original image? Yeah, original image of me like kicking a soccer ball, and I did like try to get the soccer ball to be kicked with like leaving a fire trail, but kind of just made like an explosion in the background, which was interesting. And then we kind of like run into each other and morph. And it just really messes up the faces on the video and the image to video. But if you just do text to video, I think it's pretty good with faces. And then I tried to get me falling through the cracks here, but that didn't work. Falling through the glass. But yeah, I want to animate some memes. I've seen people animate memes. I think it's pretty funny. So let's upload the boyfriend meme. Oh, why isn't it here? Oh, I deleted it. What the fuck? Oh, I didn't mean to delete it. Here we go. Oh no, it's saying misformat. Okay, maybe we'll find another one. Is this the WebP? Um, yeah. Yo, AGI bingo. 6:30 a.m. at 10:30 for me. Your soccer skills are on fire. Thank you. Um, only JPEG and PNG. Okay, let's try find a JPEG version. Distracted boyfriend JPG. Um, okay, another thing we can do is open this in preview and export it. I think this is what I actually ended up doing. I think I exported that to desktop. Okay, there we go. And then we can upload it. And it'd be cool if I had some prompts. Let's have like man runs toward lady in red shirt. And then we'll go like so it doesn't go too creative. And yeah, they give you 66 free credits every day. So it's about 10 credits for each video generation. So you get about six video generations a day, which is pretty good. And There's this other one I heard about just today, and it's called Hyder AI. I think this one, Hyder. I think maybe it's Hyper. Yeah, I think it's this one, Hyper, and they also have something similar. The quality doesn't look as good, unfortunately, but yeah, it'd be still good to to compare it because it is free. And there's also Luma Labs, so it'd be good to kind of compare. Be good to and Runway ML. Man, there's so many now. It's like they've all suddenly released, whereas it feels like 4 months ago, even maybe 3 months ago, we didn't have any video or any good. Oh, we had like Pika Labs and stuff. Okay, image to video. Upload that same image and go man runs towards the lady in the red top. Create. See how this goes. Okay, so this is like queuing us first, whereas Kling actually gets straight into processing it, supposedly. That could be not the case, but that's what the UI kind of shows us. All right, we got Dream Machine by Luma Labs. I'm not sure if Luma actually lets you do image to video. I think it might only be. Oh, did I close my chat? Sorry, guys. Might only be text to video. Oh no, you can upload an image. Excellent. All right. Oh, and you can put an end frame. That's really cool. That's actually really cool. And they have an enhanced prompt. Luma seems like a pretty polished product. Sorry if I missed people's messages. I'll just manually check my YouTube and Twitch. Oh, Tompers, hey. Sorry, I missed your message. What about Twitch? No one on Twitch. Okay, kick? Stuff just like feels like a scam, bro. Um, okay, in queue, and then there was one more Runway ML. Is this one free? Gen free alpha. Yeah, sign up, it's free. Nice. It's pretty nice how they're all free now. I'd assume this kind of stuff takes a lot of compute because I know like at least Luma Labs is like really expensive once you get out of the free tier. Alright, this UI is a bit more complex. Oh, you can't try the new Gen free unless you pay. It's pretty annoying. Alright, we'll try whatever the free runway is. Gen 2. I assume it's not going to be as good. Let's see how it goes. 4 seconds. That's pretty good. Seems like runway Gen 2 is a lot faster. 4 seconds. Okay, it's definitely not 4 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, few minutes. I don't know what the 4S means. Is that 4 credits? Not sure. Not sure what this is. Generation motion. Okay. All right, so we'll let this process for a few minutes. I'll give a little recap. So if you guys have just joined, I'm comparing 4 different AI video generation services: Kling AI, Hyper AI, Luma Labs, and Runway ML. I'm trying their free versions out. So I think Kling, Hyper, and Luma are pretty much like the same as the paid version, whereas Runway ML doesn't actually give you the latest model for free. You have to pay for that, so it probably won't be as good output. And the test what we're doing is trying to get this meme trying to make this meme with the prompt. I uploaded this meme with the same prompt for all of them. The man runs towards the lady in the red top. And we'll see what it does. Okay, so we have runway is the fastest. Oh no, yeah. Oh, whoa, he grabs the boobs, bro. Did you see that? Oh man, that is interesting, guys. Oh, this is good content for TikTok here. All right, that's Kling AI. Looks like yep, they like to do that. And the lady just like gets pushed to the side and the man just grabs the Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, that was Kling AI. Hyper. Whoa, the bad grows a beard. What the hell? And the lady starts jumping. Okay, that was Hyper AI. Um, and then the other ones are still okay. Runway ML. Oh, there's lip sync. Okay, runway is a lot slower, and the man isn't moving at all. We can increase the motion. Let's generate another one with runway. See how that goes. And Luma just finished. Here we go. Oh, this one, Luma's actually pretty good at prompt adherence. This one looks like the most natural compared to the prompt I said. Man runs towards the lady. I didn't actually said catches up to the lady, so Luma Labs definitely wins in terms of prompt adherence and kind of keeping the same face. I think it's actually done a lot better with the face. If we look at Kling, which had the most hilarious output, it's actually not very good with the face. Like the face kind of deforms a lot. But the clothes actually, Kling AI, the clothes simulation is really good. Like the physics, but it seems like it struggles with the faces. So let's see if we can extend. Yeah, we can extend. That's really cool about Luma Labs is you can extend the video, so you can make actually really long videos with that. Man catches up to and grabs the lady in the red top. All right, let's see. It's pretty funny. Yo, Hadrian, have you had any luck with no code full stack builds everyone talks about? I've tried this with Claude, unclouded. Not sure what unclouded is. Code never works, and by the time it's ready to work, I run out of tokens. In terms of full stack builds, yeah, I've had luck doing it with like Cursor and stuff that an aider that gives you the code, but it's a lot of manual work. And then another full stack kind of app creator that I've had some luck with is Lazy AI. Now this one is paid, but it's like one of the best kind of full stack creating ones. It also creates a back end and front end. Uh, it's not perfect, but it can definitely do most of like the simple creations. Oh, this is pretty cool. We're definitely going to be using Lazy more. And I didn't realize I have these Gmail things. This would be really cool. I kind of want to make a Gmail assistant, so might actually do that this stream. I don't know. Just messing around with um, these tools. What happened to my extended? Okay, it's streaming. This is runways. Take two. I added more motion, 10 motion, and yeah, it's a bit better, but not really perfect. Also, this lady's top kind of disappears. um, So I think the best is kind of like a mix between Luma and Kling. Like Kling Kling can do like the more drastic changes. Like this guy's hands go like full on her breast, which is like quite drastically different. Whereas it seems like a lot of the other models just kind of animate slight movements and stuff. I mean, I guess this movement was quite a lot, but yeah, this kind of completely changes who this man is and the woman. Um, and but I guess the prompt adherence is pretty good there as well because they're more running. Yeah, but I think these are just going to keep getting better. Obviously, we had nothing even close to this like 3 months ago, so super cool. If you're running out of tokens, yeah, Cursor actually, I think, is it unlimited kind of token usage with Cursor? It's kind of a feeling I get. Um, Also with Lazy, I don't think that would be an issue if you're paying. What's the pricing though? Yeah, unlimited prompting with their Pro plan, which is pretty nice. Cursor, unlimited slow requests. This kind of pricing seems outdated because they don't mention anything about. I guess, I guess, oh yeah, Sonnet is in the fast. So you get 500 requests of fast per month. Definitely not unlimited. All right, we'll let this finish and yeah, I kind of want to extend off Lazy's Gmail API. Search email. Get and read email. Python script uses Flask to create a web app that connects to Gmail, retrieves the user's unread emails. Um, App API that sends an invitation email from Gmail. Gmail sender securely connects Gmail and sends a test email. I think this is the one I want. Let's look at the video. Is there meant to be sound? Email API to fetch and display emails. Can you hear this? Based on user-defined search queries. In order to run this application, it requires the client ID, client secret, and the direct URI to be set in environment secrets. Now, this client ID and client secret is your Google developers account client ID and client secret that will be used to authorize with Google. Let me quickly show you how we can get that. So you will log on to console.cloud.google.com with your Google developers account. Click provide the app name, user create, and this is the client slash over2 call. So first we need to authenticate the user and we will make a request to this endpoint. So let me just make an empty request to this endpoint and it has it and now I can use the themes continue and continue and I have provided it the access. I'll use this from parameter. I have already created a string. So I'll just say, okay, from this user, I want the emails that are sent to me from this user. Let's execute this. Okay, and it has returned me a list of all the emails that the user has sent me. Each email has an IT subject and the bot for this demo. Thank you very much. And if you want to start using this app, head over to getlazy.ai and search for the. Yeah, that's really cool. Search emails endpoint. It's pretty cool how they make these templates. Let's have a look. I think we just press. Oh, actually, hold on. Can we look at the code first? I guess that's the same as start from this template. They only give you a little preview. Um, oh, it's cool. They posted that. I just want to see like if we can, see the kind of parameters we're able to send. Oh, everything's in main.py. It's very little amounts of code, very interestingly. Okay, search emails. Sorry. Messages, query string. Kind of could make this from scratch. Hmm. So they're using users meetup messages. So we can have a look at the docs for that. I just want to see what kind of options we have. Messages. Oh, this is for a single message. We can also go list, max results, and this kind of includes every message. Oh, but we can also have a query string. Yeah, so this is what they were using for the query string. From is unread, and I guess we could just do any basic search terms here. Same query as a Gmail search box. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I kind of do want like a Gmail assistant. It'd be interesting if Lazy is a good way to build that. I did test something similar out with Nexus. It was really easy to set up. Missed yesterday. How was Cursor Composer? Yeah, really good actually. Um, I still think Ada is slightly better. Obviously, it's more mature. One of the things that I saw that seemed like Ada was better at was actually understanding like your repository. If you don't specify it, it's able to like pull in files that you didn't add to context. Whereas it seemed like, I could be wrong here, it seemed like Cursor Composer only has access to the files you give it, so it's not able to like say, I actually think we should use this file for this change. Whereas Ada is able to do that. I could be wrong about that though, but that was just my experience yesterday. But other than that, yeah, it works really well. It can use Cursor. I mean, it can use Sonnet 3.5, so it's really good at coding. It's able to do multi-file code edits pretty well. Yeah, I think Cursor Composer is definitely the step in the right direction for Cursor. It seems like a really good product. What are my thoughts on Agent Zero? Let's have a look.
Hello, and welcome to the first public demonstration of Agent Zero. My name is Jan. I am the developer behind this project, and in this video, I will do a quick cut through the framework and all its features for you. Agent Zero is an agentic AI framework that doesn't need to be pre-configured. You don't have to create your agents and tasks and tools beforehand. This framework can do it on the fly. As an example, I can tell him, get YAL. The agent doesn't have any specific tool for the job, but he can use the code execution tool to write his own Python code and execute it in a safe Docker container. So he is using the time zone library, which is not installed. That is why he gets the error. So he installs the library, writes the code again, and he needs to print these two variables to be able to see them in the terminal, which he does now. He gets the answer in the terminal, and he's going to report the answer back to me. So as you can see, the agent doesn't need a specific tool for anything he needs to do. He can write his own Python, JavaScript, or Linux terminal and execute it. I can now tell him, save it in a file using Node.js, and the agent will write a JavaScript code, Node.js, and save it into his work directory as a timeinfo.txt. Now, let's try something else. Let's make him a download specific to video about RAG. This will require some search. That's why the agent has built a knowledge tool. So this is a combination of online search and offline memory search. Right now, he should have some information about YouTube videos about RAG. There is a link to some of these YouTube videos. So he should now find a library to download the video and proceed. Okay, he's using YouTube DL in Python, which is not installed. So he installs that package. And he gets some errors. And right now, I can stop my agent in the middle of his message and I can intervene if I see he's headed in the wrong direction. I can tell him use YTDLP because I know this library is going to work. So he installs YTDLP.
Yeah, seems really cool. The coolest thing is obviously the code interpreter, which I've seen before, and I'm a really big fan of Open Interpreter. But it seems like now these guys also, this Agent Zero has some kind of internal vector database and also like a knowledge gathering tool that I don't think Interpreter has, at least the vector database. They might have, I think they have like a browse kind of web search function as well. But yeah, let's just continue watching this.
And he is able to download a video about RAG. But now, let's say I just want the audio of that video. So so he checks the version of MPAG, which is not installed. So he proceeds with installing that library. The library is installed. And now the conversion happens. And I already have.
And let's see a simple workflow.
The audio file here. Now, the agent is also capable of answering interactive terminal programs. If I make him install Midnight Commander without the Y flag, there will be a dialog in the installation process. So he will now send the Y key to the terminal, confirming that.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't think Open Interpreter can do this part. The interacting with commands that need
dialog and proceed with the
interaction.
installation. And because there is a full Debian Linux running in the container, the agent has access to all of the system features, so he can show me the system mode in real time, for example.
Pretty cool.
And there is also a built-in memory into the agent. So you can instruct your agent to store or load memories from the database, and he can also do it automatically with the